Don't run away. I want to talk to you guys after this.
Oh my gosh.
A lot of you guys here, looks like you guys either ditched your shopping somewhere else or you guys keep for their entertainment because where's all your bags? Where's all the bags?
Okay. You got some bags. Alright. Resting your feet, yeah?
Yeah. I want to hang out over here too with the entertainment. Let's see. Do a song for you. That was a song composed by Uncle Dennis Kamakahi. This next one is also composed by Uncle Dennis, and we recorded this song on our album called Bombay. And the song is a sweet by and by, and it's a beautiful Hawaiian love song. And it goes a little something like this.
Beautiful love song called Sweet By and By.